Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been an extremely long time since I posted a video. Um, Pretty sure, as you can tell, what this particular video is going to be about. So, before anybody comes for me in the comments, clearly you can hear that I'm sniffling. I have a cold. I do not have COVID. I did have COVID literally New Year's Eve through about January the 20th. At least that's when I was able to return to work. But this is going to be probably a short video. I don't have the tripod set up to be able to film in real time me doing this. And plus, I've already sprayed this degreaser on it. This is the first time I'm using this to try to clean the oven door anyway. Like I said, I have been dealing with a lot. I'm even dealing with a newly diagnosed medical condition. So I really have not been able to do the things around the house that I have needed to do in terms of upkeep and cleanliness and stuff like that. And so I'm really just now at this point able to try to get back on track. I'll do another video and try to explain everything that has been happening. But so the last 6 months have been a lot as far as my health, but God is good all the time. I'm here, I'm still standing, and so it shall be. But the inside part of the oven, I have had good success cleaning that with baking soda and vinegar, so that's what I'm going to stick to as far as the inside is concerned. But the door, I'm trying this degreaser just because I was cleaning the exterior of the door and thought, when I opened it, I was like, well, let's just try it and see. So that's the only thing I intend to use on it is this degreaser. Again, it is found at the Dollar Tree. It is called LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Concentrated Cleaner plus Degreaser Spot Remover. And I used it on something else. I want to say maybe my walls or something. And it took whatever it was literally almost instantly right off. So I'm trying it on the oven. So I'm going to let this sit on here some more. I'll probably spray another layer on it. Let's get the sponge right quick just to see how it's coming along and see if anything is even moving. I'll use this part of it. Sis. Okay, well, there it is. I mean, okay, well, hold on then. Let me just, maybe I could just get to work with this one layer. Hold on. Okay, well, I rinsed out the sponge. Let's just try to come back and see. Get you some. I mean, clearly, maybe I will try the inside. Not tonight, though. It is literally about 3:30 in the morning right now. And for whatever reason, I have insomnia that washed pretty much right out of my sponge. So some sniffing in the open cabinet over there, but like I said, all this is really pretty much impromptu cleaning because I should have sleep. Okay, y'all see it. It's not leaving a bunch of that grease on my sponge. And you see how that you watched it real time. I mean, I didn't even plan that. You watched it live, real time. This door situation, that might be a little more elbow grease, but you can see all of the grease that is on here that can come off. Some of these are like permanent stains on here, but you see that's going to come off. Okay. You see, I'm just rinsing this with water. Rinsing that with water. That grease is not even sticking to this sponge. Okay, so if you need to clean your stove, try this degreaser. Okay, got the water on, sorry. Okay, so I did try to get something to scrape this off, and I might do the vinegar and baking soda on this and on the rest of this to see if any of this will come off. But like I said, it's early in the morning, and sorry, I didn't turn the flash back on. And the people are asleep, and all kind of stuff is going on, so I'm trying not to make that much noise, even though somebody might be awake, actually, at the moment. But I did take this towel and just wipe down what was left. But you all saw, you saw how that worked. I apologize for the sniffling, but I'm sorry. You saw it. I mean, not here first, but you see it live in living color. I mean, you saw it happen, how well it works. If you want to try it, it's a regularly stocked product at the Dollar Tree, so you shouldn't have any trouble getting it. Video is not sponsored, anything like that, so comment below. Let me know what you think. If you like this type of content, take a minute to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up so YouTube knows that this is the type of content you want to see. And I will try to do a part 2 of the inside of that oven, because yeah, it's disgusting. So baby steps, getting back on track. Everybody take care, stay blessed.